The home renovation incentive. This was kind of brought in around 2009 in order to help a flailing construction industry and to give a bit of incentive to those that were in it. And it operates by really offering a refund of the VAT that is incurred on any expense that is spent on renovating one's home. It was subsequently extended out to landlords. And by all accounts, according to the Department of Finance, it's been a resounding success, with over €1 billion having been spent on this measure since it was introduced on 49,000 properties, which seems like a really positive and progressive type of incentive and initiative to have introduced. I don't know that I've seen it on a practical basis, but that's the figures that have come out. The minimum qualifying expenditure is €5,000, the maximum is €30,000. And that, when relieved at 13.5%, comes in at a tax credit of around €4,050. But it's payable over 2 years, so you don't get it all in the 1 year. You get 2025 1 year, 2025 the next year. And it is fairly stringent in ensuring that the contractor that is used is a qualifying contractor and is registered and has all of his boxes ticked in terms of RCT and tax clearance. And you'll find that when you go to claim it, it's necessary for the contractor to have provided revenue with the information to allow you to claim it. So I've run into certain circumstances where a client thinks they're entitled to it and thinks all they have to do is tell me that they spent it. But you have to break the bad news that you're going to have to go back to their contractor and get the contractor to get the revenue to update their records to allow you to claim it. And one thing with that, like if it is, let's say the spend is €20,000 and the relief is 13.5%, that's a 2,600 tax claim at €1,300 per annum. But when you get down to having to go after your builder to try and get him to get onto the revenue, you know what I mean, fellas kind of give up fairly quickly. The line I got was, I couldn't get the builder when he was building the house, I'm not going to get him to go to the revenue. So they can understand that as well.